time to deal with some abundance.
This time of year, our weekends are packed with foraging and gardening work. We started off this weekend by meeting my dad at our community garden with our nephews to plant beans along the rows of corn. Then we picked a nice pile of mulberries outside the garden where there are a few ripe trees. The flavor of mulberries varies heavily from tree to tree, but we've really lucked out so far this year with every one being delicious. The next day, we met up with our friend Dre and his little one to pick Juneberries and grape leaves. The Juneberry trees were absolutely loaded, and we found stacks of perfect spring grape leaves. As foragers and gardeners, all of our food is very seasonal, so we have to do a lot of preserving to be able to eat these things throughout the year. For the grape leaves, we blanch them in hot water and then freeze them in stacks of 10 with parchment paper between. For things like Juneberries and mulberries, we first rinse them off in clean water, then drain them and pour them out onto sheet pans to freeze. The reason we do this rather than just pouring them in a bag is so they don't all freeze together in one giant block. Then we can just scoop out a serving whenever we want one all year round.